Welcome to Quanser. For over 35 years, we've been transforming how engineering is taught, learned, and applied around the world. It all started with one professor, one founder, Dr. Jacob Abkari, searching for better ways to bring theory to life in the classroom.
Engineering shapes the world, but too often engineering education stops at theory. Quanser exists to close that gap. We help universities and researchers turn theory into real, hands-on experience so students can graduate ready to design, test, and innovate in the real world. We partner with universities globally, and it's our mission to accelerate research, modernize teaching, and prepare students for careers that didn't even exist a decade ago.
At the heart of our company is engineering, where ideas are explored, tested, and refined. We turn academic theory into hands-on tools. We design open architecture platforms, modular, scalable, and flexible, so institutions can stay on the leading edge without reinventing their curriculum every year. Our customer success team makes sure every solution works flawlessly from day one. From remote setup support to fully turnkey installations, they help educators and researchers get their labs running quickly and confidently, ensuring that success doesn't end at delivery. Whether it's controls, robotics, mechatronics, or applied AI, Quanser labs are a great place for students and researchers to truly bring theory to practice and have authentic, hands-on experiences in the lab. As they progress, those same platforms scale with them, from early learning to advanced research. Researchers can vigorously test, iterate, and validate ideas on systems that match the pace and complexity of real-world innovation. Our sales team does more than sell. They listen. At trade shows and in workshops, we connect with educators to understand their goals and challenges. We work closely with faculty, lab managers, and administrators to tailor solutions that truly fit. We don't just provide solutions, we help institutions grow. From single lab upgrades to global transformations, we meet customers where they are and establish lasting impact to facilitate their vision and where they're trying to aspire to be. Big or small is a team victory. We celebrate these moments together because each one represents stronger partnerships and progress in education worldwide. Here in production, our team turns innovation into reality, delivering reliable solutions that empower students, researchers, and institutions worldwide. Each Quanser system carries the care of precision engineering. Built with both durability and precision in mind, we ensure that all our platforms are fantastic for undergraduate research all the way to prolific research. Meticulously tested and supported with pride, we ensure that every single solution can deliver on our promise, because building tomorrow should never be mass-produced.
Every transformation starts with an idea, but ideas only matter when they're tested, challenged, and brought into the real world. At Quanser, that's a team effort. From engineering and production to customer success, HR, marketing, and beyond, every team plays a role in helping institutions move beyond theory and into real hands-on learning and research. That's how we transform education and accelerate research together. Because the world doesn't just need more engineers, it needs engineers who are ready for the real world. Thanks for joining us, and welcome to Quanser.